The video kicks off with an epic showcase of the Great Pyramids, reminding us of their awe-inspiring grandeur and rich historical significance that dates back over 4,500 years. It's not just any discussion. We dive into the fascinating story of King Khufu's tomb, which encapsulates the glory of ancient Egypt. As the exploration unfolds, we find ourselves visiting incredible spots like the Grand Gallery and the burial chambers of kings. This isn't just sightseeing. It's a way to highlight the architectural genius of the ancient Egyptians, showcasing their unparalleled skills in construction that truly stood the test of time. In addition to all this, the video dives into the wild theories surrounding the construction of the pyramids, from debates on pre-Egyptian civilizations to the bizarre notion of alien involvement. It's fascinating to see how the ancient world continues to spark such intense discussions and curiosity. Transitioning from theories to real-life experiences, we witness the adventurers navigating a tall, rickety ladder to reach the tomb. Talk about a heart-pounding moment. Their expressions of fear and anxiety as they descend deeper into the unknown really hit home, showcasing the physical challenges explorers face in such historical sites. Upon reaching the sarcophagus, the explorers are faced with a mind-blowing revelation. This site is believed to be a portal to the underworld. The sense of mystery and danger intensifies here, especially knowing that only a handful of people have ever set foot in this sacred space. As they delve deeper, the explorers encounter thin air and a potential lack of oxygen, which cranks up the stakes even higher. Their urgency to escape brings to light the real risks associated with exploring such ancient and potentially perilous sites, reminding us that adventure isn't without its challenges. Next up, the Pyramid of Menkaure showcases its unique features, from complex passageways to a burial chamber that's a testament to advanced engineering for its time. This really highlights the Egyptians' impressive construction skills, making us appreciate how far human innovation has come. Following that, the existence of 3 smaller pyramids associated with Menkaure shines a light on the significant role queens played in ancient Egyptian society. These structures weren't just for the kings. They served as tombs for his wives, underlining the importance of women in this remarkable civilization. Shifting our focus, the mysterious Sphinx enters the scene, sparking discussions about its own construction and the legends surrounding it. With whispers of hidden treasures and potential temples lurking beneath, the intrigue thickens, fueling conspiracy theories that have fascinated generations. The tomb itself dazzles with vibrant drawings that capture the daily life of ancient Egyptians, including a peek into their winemaking process. These artistic expressions not only showcase their advanced techniques, but also emphasize the cultural legacy that these historical sites communicate to us today. As the video progresses, it underscores the rarity of exploring these forbidden locations, granting viewers a unique opportunity to witness firsthand the preserved history of ancient Egypt. This incredible experience deepens our understanding and appreciation for their fascinating civilization. Moreover, the workman's tomb, where pyramid builders were laid to rest, offers direct evidence of the labor force behind these monumental structures. This discovery challenges long-held assumptions about who built the pyramids, shedding new light on the lives of those who toiled to create these wonders. Interestingly, the swarm toys emerge as a pivotal element in this narrative, representing a limited collection that fans are eager to grab before they vanish from stores. Their popularity highlights the seamless connection between modern toys and the captivating historical themes woven throughout this adventure. The exploration dives even deeper, taking us to the pyramid's lowest point where decoy chambers are revealed. These were strategically built to protect treasures and mummies from tomb raiders, showcasing the meticulous burial practices of ancient Egyptians that played a crucial role in their beliefs about the afterlife. Climbing to the top of the pyramid proves to be not only physically demanding but also a significant historic landmark that truly tests the limits of the explorers. Their reflections on fear and physical endurance during this ascent add depth to their journey, reminding us of the towering achievements of ancient civilizations. In this adventurous journey, the explorers encounter everything from the inner workings of the pyramids to a humorous run-in with bats. These lighthearted moments serve to balance the educational journey with entertainment, proving that learning about Egypt's rich history can be both fun and engaging. To cap it all, various artifacts, including workmen's tombs and skeletons, provide invaluable insight into the laborious lives of those who built the pyramids. These findings are more than just remnants. They highlight the immense human effort that went into constructing these monumental structures. Lastly, the graffiti found within the pyramids reinforces the notion that Egyptians constructed them specifically for their pharaohs. This evidence stands as a counterpoint to popular theories about alien involvement, emphasizing that the wonders of ancient Egypt were very much a human endeavor.